Hello, welcome back to Abstract and Flow. Davita here with a quick video. I'm going to pour on this repurposed canvas. Here I am laying down my white house paint, which is Walmart's ready to use, mixed with a little GAC. Now it's a little thicker than what I would normally use. We are just going to make it do what it do. Let's torch it a little and get some of those bubbles. Now I decided to experiment with this little piggy pigments that I had recently received. And so most of the paint I'm using here is some leftover paints as I incorporate some of the little piggy pigments. I was testing my recipe for those pigments, and I wasn't really happy with the outcome. This particular one I'm about to lay down is this little piggies, and I believe it's pronounced Sarah, Syrah. So I'm going to go in with my white CA, which is Amsterdam's titanium white and lamp black. Now for the smear, which is what I'm about to do, I mix my CA with water only. Equal parts of water and paint. And let's see what happens. All right, not too bad. So I'm adding a little bit more of that little piggy pigment color. And I believe this is Liquitex. Nope, I'm not sure. I'll try to link the colors in the description box. Using my white CA, I'm going to smear that little section. Okay, so adding a little bit more base color so that I can spread this out and giving it a cushion so that the paints I laid down don't roll over on themselves. So my base was a little thick for tilting, so I decided to put it on my spinner so that the paints I laid down will spread a little bit more evenly. That really allowed the painting to open up and those cells to expand a little bit more. Okay, just kind of looking at it to see if I want to make any additional modifications. And I think we're going to spin again. Okay, not too bad. Not exactly what I wanted the pigments to do, but it's my first time using them.